Because if we just have a goal, but we don't break it down into smaller steps, you'll never attain it, right? You guys have probably heard me say at some point, or if you've gone through some of our prior training, that we work in a 90-day cycle. So January to March, April to June, right? July to August, September, October to December. We focus our business in 90-day increments and goal setting. And so as I was thinking back, I'm like, okay, this is the last month of this quarter. What are the things that we set as goals? What are the things that we are focused on doing in this quarter, in second quarter? And reviewing those and going back and say, okay, what have we kind of dropped the ball on? What do we need to get back focused on? What are the things that we have as goals? So within my journal, this is just something I want to share with you guys. There's a couple things I want to share with you today. So on the hot seats, I like to do that. So at the beginning of every month, I sit down. This is my calendar. I have a traditional calendar, and I write out my goals. And then I plan them out. I strategically plan them. Because if we just have a goal, but we don't break it down into smaller steps, you'll never attain it, right? So have you guys been working on a 90-day cycle within your business? And have you been revisiting the idea that it's the last month of this quarter to revisit that? Is that something that you've been thinking about, or is that a great reminder? Let me know in the chat. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you'd like to receive them in your inbox so you don't miss any of them, go up above or down below and we'll send them to you directly. And if you are looking for more support with QuickBooks, check out Confidence with QuickBooks. It is our training program that takes you from A to Z to walk you through exactly how to customize and set up QuickBooks for your business. Don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss any videos, and I look forward to seeing you inside our next tip and trick. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.